So hello and welcome back everyone to another video on the NA Garage YouTube channel. And since I've gotten this GoPro, I thought of going on a POV drive, but then also something else happened, so I really need to show this to you right now. So I've just put the new wheels on the car, the 19s. The wheel gap is still there, maybe about 2 fingers to go down, and then it will be spot perfect. It's basically fender rim centered, so that's really nice. It just sits on the car really well. I really wanted to show this guys to you guys right now. It just looks awesome, and also in this lighting the car looks very nice. So it's a really nice day today. So I thought I would I'm sorry about that, but so I thought I could take you guys for a little drive. Well, the tires produce quite some noise. They are 255 35 19s, and yeah, let's go for the drive. I do look pretty stupid right now. If you can see me in the mirror, I look so stupid, but I don't care. You guys are on my head now, and I'm gonna take you guys on a little bit of a drive just around here in some industrial area. I think this is. Hopefully no one sees me because I look so dumb, so ridiculous. So these tires are a bit noisy right now, but I think they grip really well. Don't worry, the car's pretty much warmed up. It's a nice day today. Let's see how it feels. Oh my god. Pretty much constant grip all through. And the ride, I have to say, the ride is not as comfortable as on the winter tires. And I really hope you're enjoying this point of view thingy that is going on right here. I'm loving it, but I just look so stupid that I can't even. So yeah, this, if you're new to the channel, this is my Mark II Audi TT. It's a 2-liter turbocharged petrol engine, and there is still this granny just picking up something nice. This is a 2-liter petrol turbocharged engine with 200 horsepower, and it is producing, I think, 280 newton meters of torque. So it's a really torquey little monster, and it's really fun to put through some corners. Let's try this one. There's no cars. Holy, this car just grips so well with these tires. Now with the winter tires, they were 225 50 or 55 16s, so those were really not well suited for this car, I guess. They just didn't grip, but they went on the snow pretty well. Wow, the ride is really firm now with these tires. You probably can't tell right now because the GoPro has good stabilization. We're gonna check so we don't get run over by a train right now. Okay, we're good. So what I wanted to talk about is what's next for the car. Also, I'm seriously not sure what I'm going to title the video yet. See, the grip is just holy shit. Okay, I'm not sure what I'm gonna title the video, like new wheels or POV drive or something like that. I'm not really sure. I think I'm just gonna title it new wheels with a little bit of POV drive. I don't know, we'll see about that. So yeah, this is my Mark II Audi TT. I've been enjoying it for over a month right now. There's a video up here, I think, if you're watching this. I'm just gonna leave a clickable card up there so you can watch it. I filmed the video where I was talking about the car and how it's been for the past month, how it's been living with. And where do I go from here? I think we'll go here. Okay. And how it it's been living with for a month. So yeah, pretty much the fuel consumption is the only thing that really bothers me. Probably gonna be much bigger on these tires, and I have gone somewhere where I probably shouldn't be. This is some kind of a roundabout, I guess. Let's go around it. So yeah, I really hope you like this POV stuff. Just comment down below what you like about it, what you don't. If I should add any more angles. Like, I can't buy a new GoPro right now because they're pretty expensive, so I can just put my camera somewhere like over here on the dash or something like that. That could work. I'm not going on the main roads because as I said, I look so stupid, and that's a really nice E46 right there. Wow, that looks nice. Okay, so we're going back up the same road. So as I was saying, the grip on these tires is really nice. They are Hankook Ventus, I don't know how to pronounce that. S2 Evo, I mean S1 Evo 2, I think it's pronounced, I'm not really sure. So yeah, I've been driving this car. It's absolutely amazing. We've just been on the trip to Italy with my girlfriend where I didn't film, and I'm sorry about that, but maybe next time. Our backs were hurting so much by, yeah, we came home yesterday. The backs were hurting so much, it was painful to even get from the car, because we've spent the first day, we've spent like 4 to 5 hours in the car, and it's not really comfortable on the long trips. So yeah, holy, this is bumpy. So yeah, I think this is going to be it for now, or for this video. We'll see if there's any more clips after that. You'll obviously see by the timer on the video. Holy, the bumps. Okay, you'll see by the title of the video, not the title, the length of the video. And yeah, hopefully I'll see you guys next time. Please hit the like and subscribe button down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.